In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear what's called the system data. All these other ones kind of make sense when you read them. Photos, okay, I delete photos and videos, that'll go down. If I delete applications, the orange one will go down. If I remove music, the yellow one will go down. They all kind of make sense. But system data is the anomaly because where do you clear system data? Turns out there isn't just one spot. There's a handful of them. In this video, I'm going to show them to you and how to clear them. And the first one, believe it or not, is Safari data. That does not go under applications or anything like that. It goes under system data, and that's the website data and history, browsing history and cookies and things that Safari stores. So we'll clear that one first, then we'll get to the other two. And the last one, I can almost guarantee you've never heard of, or I'm pretty sure you haven't. So stick around for that. So let's clear the Safari data first. Let's go back to the main settings. Scroll all the way down to apps, tap on the S to go to the S section, Safari's at the top, tap on that to open it, go to the very bottom, you will see advanced, tap on that, then tap on website data. You'll see all this data from various websites here. There's 140 megabytes currently. This is just from a few minutes of browsing. If you have this saved up for a couple months, this would be a crazy amount in here. So we can scroll down to the very bottom and delete all website data here, or we can do it in one fell swoop by going back out to the main Safari tab and then tapping on clear history and website data. We can choose all history, all profiles, and we can close all tabs as well if we want to, or we turn that off if you want to keep some of your tabs open. And then once you've chosen the options you like here, tap on clear history. And now that history is cleared. If we go back to the website data here, it's going to show nothing at all because it's erased. As soon as you go to another website though, it's going to start filling in data here. So keep that in mind. This is something you got to do on a regular basis. The second thing you want to do to get rid of that system data is in Messages, in the Messages app settings. So let's go back out to this app list here and then tap on M. Again, if you're not sure how we got here, it's from the main settings page. You scroll to the very bottom to where it says apps and then tap on M. You see Messages right here. Tap on that and then scroll down to where it says message history right here, message history. If you have this set to forever, which is the default setting, and you tap one of these other options like 1 year, it says here messages older than 1 year will be permanently deleted. You can't undo this action. So you will instantly get back the space that those messages took up. Well, maybe not instantly. When you do that, you're going to want to check in your Messages app just to make sure they're deleted. Tap on the Messages app, tap on the stack icon there, tap on recently deleted. The messages might go in here. You can delete them permanently from this list, or they might be deleted permanently. I'm not entirely sure because I keep mine on forever. But to save that system data or to get more of that system data back, choose one of these two options here. And now this third one is something maybe brand new to you, and that's in the privacy settings. So if you go back to the main settings here and scroll down to privacy and security, tap on that, and scroll down until you get to analytics and improvements. Tap on that, then tap on analytics data. Here, you're going to see a big list of stuff, and tap into any one of these and you see how much information is here. It's crazy how much info is here. And that's all data that's not necessarily required on your phone. To clear this data, go back one tab. We have Share iPhone Analytics here turned off. Turn this on and off again a few times, and that should fire the maintenance script that clears out this data log. It might take a few minutes, might have to reset your phone or reboot your phone, not reset it, reboot your phone. You can do that just by pressing up and down, holding the power button until the Apple logo comes back on the screen, and then that data should be cleared and you should have some more system data back. And just like the Safari data, this will accumulate again over time, so it's something you do periodically. The messages setting that we set to be 1 year or 30 days, that will constantly just delete everything older than that age. So you only have to do that setting once. And now that we've taken care of that system data, This video will show you how to clear the caches from your social media apps like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. They all have caches that you can empty to save space. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.